This news headlines live from Wisdom Yard Television. I am Odunayo Adelere. Here are the news headlines. Atiku can secure PDP presidential ticket, Wike vows. Falana knocks Wike over car, house gifts to judges. Now the news in details. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, has said there will be no chance for the 2023 presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, to secure the party's ticket in 2027. Wike disclosed this during a live media parley in his office in Abuja on Wednesday. Responding to a question about Atiku's recent claim that his economic blueprint would rescue and serve Nigerians better than the current administration's approach, Wike said that Atiku had previously presented his blueprint to Nigerians who rejected him. He said, "Did he not present it before Nigerians? The Nigerians choose him. He is lobbying for another chance, but the chance will not be there. In which party? How can we rely on one man for so many years? Look at America. I am sure you all did not support Trump, saying he is this, he is a racist, he is that. We cried, but Americans thought differently, made a decision for the good of their own country. You presented your blueprint in 2023. Nigerians heard you clearly and said thank you, but it will not work. We will not support you. Criticism does not mean the opposition is working. Trump was not in government, yet he got to work and told the Republicans, listen, what do? We have to be serious. You can't sideline people and say you will fight someone just because you feel he's too influential." A human rights lawyer, Femi Falana, says it is wrong for the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, to give judges houses and cars. Daily Post recalls that Wike had in October flagged off the design and construction of 40 judges' quarters in the Kantape district in the nation's capital, Abuja, which has generated controversy, with many arguing that it is unethical. Falana, while speaking on Channels Television's Politics Today on Wednesday, argued that it is wrong for the executive to give gifts to the members of the judiciary, especially judges. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory operates like a state governor by virtue of Section 299 of the Constitution, so he cannot say, I'm going to build 40 houses, 10 shall go to the Federal High Court, 10 shall go to judges in the Federal Capital Territory High Court, and 10 shall go to the Court of Appeal and Supreme Court. No. Because you are a minister of the federal government, like a state governor, your budget is limited to the affairs of the FCT. So you cannot, as the head of the FCT, be dishing out gifts of cars, houses to judges in the Federal High Court, in the Appeal Court, and in the Supreme Court. Number two, you have cases before this court. On the theory of equality before the court, you cannot be seen to be giving cars or houses to the judges who are going to determine your cases, he said. The senior lawyer said this is the reason the autonomy of the judiciary had been constitutionalized, stressing that the judges had no business going to the executive to buy them cars and houses. According to him, the Constitution has granted financial autonomy to the judiciary, which gives it authority to manage its own budget. The human rights activist also berated Wike over the demolition of private properties in the FCT, describing it as primitive and a breach of the law. He said such demolitions are not authorized under the Urban and Regional Planning Act applicable in the FCT. Before the news comes to an end, here are the headlines once again. Atiku can secure PDP presidential ticket, Wike vows. Falana knocks Wike over car, houses gifts to judges. Thank you for staying tuned. I am Odunayo Adelere.